One. Nungay matung tigi hong kam na kiba nungay maru dulu maram warga hoji nungay ambulance hadalo setlo ambulance hadalo cekona ambulance hadalo cekona ambulance cekona 지금 한번 빨리 지지고 한번 빨리 한번 다들 밀어. Chalo. Nasi, ahing dong aja ke, hong kamera kita nunggu maru, nunggu kamera biar kan bah, aduh maru mereka hoji, kokta one number, ayat kimaning dah lagi bah sida, oke Malaysia ni nunggu kamera pada hoji, cikgu ama.
The Meitei militants or the valley-based people, whenever there is a news that they are shot, do they ever die in the valley? Do they ever die nearby their areas? Absolutely not. They always die in the hill areas, in the inhabitants of the Kuki zones. So what makes them to die? Well, for example, you are my enemy, and you come to my house, or you come to my area, or you die in my area. What makes you come? Being my enemy. That means you are trying to attack me. That is why when you attack me, I have to defend myself.
I have heard this logic that...
Yes.
I've heard this logic. I know what you're trying to say.
Let me continue,
that you
sir.
are trying to defend your village.
Let me continue. I am not defending. It is a fact. It is a fact. All those who have died, they have not died in their own valley places. It is always in the hill areas. Prove me. Give me a proof that any of our brothers from Meitei community have died in the valley.